Welcome back to BT Willa's Garage. Today we're going to teach you a quick tip to keep your mini split system working efficiently and ultimately not breaking. This is a Daikin unit. As you can see on the front, you'll notice on the Daikins that there's a split mark here. What you can actually do, you can get your nails behind that or hand behind that, is lift up and gain access to the filters. So there's two filters in here. And in order to remove them, you just lift on the front and pull down. Now this unit was installed about 1.5 years ago and has not been cleaned since. And you can see that it's quite dirty. So what we're gonna do is take a vacuum and clean these off. I'm gonna get that done real quick, but you can see the difference. I mean, it is quite dirty, and that's going to constrict your unit from breathing and cause issues over time if you don't do this every few months. Now that we've got that done, we're going to do the other filter as well, which has already been done. You just slide your filter back up and in and lock it back down just like that. You want to be under this lip. Close the hood and you can turn your unit back on. So that's just basic maintenance that you guys should be doing to keep your unit running well. I'm going to show you one more tip before we finish up. So that unit you just saw inside is actually my office. I've got a wire that I need to finish running. And what I do often, if you mow, try to mow away from your unit. But I come out here and I just clean the outside of, of the unit as well to keep that able to breathe. And ultimately, Luna is gonna bark every time I do a video, but ultimately those two things are gonna keep your unit working well and not require much other maintenance, to keep you up and running and not replacing that 5,000, however much they are these days, units. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if that's helpful to see, and stay cool, stay warm.